going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and also happy holidays. So for today's video, we're going to install this Auxito LED headlight, but then we're going to change the high beam on this one. So this is just a quick review, and I'm not going to go through the boring installation, and I'll just walk you through what you need to do. So let's just open up. I already went ahead and took one of the stock one. So that's what it looks like. This is the halogen, the yellow one, high beam. And let's go open this one up. So for the Auxito, it comes with the installation manual. And what I like about this is that it comes with a mini zip ties, as this one comes with a little long wiring, and also comes with this little spongy, I guess a 3M tape. I'm not really quite sure if we're gonna use this one, but I'll definitely let you know once I'm done with the installation. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install it and show you the results. Okay, so right now I just installed the one on the driver's side. So I used the zip tie. I just zip tie it, but not too tight on this little wire that's hanging. So this is just a quick plug and play, like right over here if you can see it. And the wire is too long. I was actually thinking not using the zip tie, but it was too long, it was hanging. So you see the right over here, sorry, right over here, this battery, I believe I don't know if it's actually the battery or it's just like a box for it, for the LED to run. It's like hanging right over here, and I didn't like it because I don't want it to get caught while I'm driving. So yeah, it's just like hanging right here, free in space. So that's just a quick view. And as for the passenger side, high beam is connected, located right in front of this windshield wiper bucket. So what we're gonna do is just gonna unclip this, and you don't have to take this one completely. So all you gotta do is like unclip this one with a prior. Okay, so once that's off, make sure you don't lose this. This is all off. You're just gonna have to push it a little bit and give you enough room for your hands. And I don't know if you could actually see it. Let me just move the camera here. So right over here, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, if the camera's not picking it up. There's like the plug, it's sort of like a blue clip. You're gonna unplug that and just install the Auxito. Finally installed the high beam. So this is the one that I was talking about, that's connected to the OEM. So all you gotta do is just like press the clip right over here, and just to push it down, and it should come off easily. And when you're moving this, make sure you just have enough room for your hands. The smaller your hands, I guess, the better. And I just kind of had a little trouble plugging in the headlights because my hands are too big to fit into this corners, but nothing is done easily when you're building your car. You're gonna encounter bigger bumps, bigger problems, but regardless, by the end of the day, whatever makes you happy with your car makes you happy. So yeah, and that's it for today, and we're gonna go ahead and start up the car, and we'll see how it looks. And there you go. Wow, super bright. I like this. I'm liking this. So that's what it looks like. Camera doesn't really do the justice, but yeah, super bright. And I just want to say it out there, this is not sponsored or paid for by Auxito headlights right over here. Camera won't pick it up, sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link on the description below if you want to pick it up. So that's today's video. Take care, guys.